Question 43. The relationship between number of beers consumed X and blood alcohol content Y was studied in 16 male college students by using least squares regression. The following regression equation was obtained from this study. Y hat is equal to negative 0.01727 plus 0.0180x. The above equation implies what? Well, back from the PowerPoint slides, we were talking about how to interpret the regression equation for one unit in terms of the independent variable increase in the independent variable. Okay, so whenever the independent variable goes up, the dependent variable would go up or down by the slope on average. Okay, so the independent variable is going to be x and the dependent variable is going to be y. Here we're told that the x value is beers consumed and the y value is the blood alcohol content. So we're saying in a 1 unit increase in the x variable. So for each beer consumed, well, what happens to y? Well, we need to look at the slope, which is the number right in front of x in this regression equation. Notice that it is a positive value. So for each beer consumed, the blood alcohol content will go up by this amount right here. And looks like they have it in percentage. So if we move this decimal over twice, 1, 2, so 1.8%. So for each beer consumed, the blood alcohol content will go up by 1.8% on average. Okay, so let's see if we can find that here. Each beer consumed increases blood alcohol content by 1.27. Note, they're taking this value right here, which is not the right one, so it's not A. On average, okay, it takes 1.8 beers to increase blood alcohol content by 1%. Nope. We're talking, it should be just a 1 unit increase in the independent variable, not a 1.8 increase. So it's not B. Each beer consumed, okay, so that 1 unit increase in the independent increases, okay, yep, that was a positive number there. Blood alcohol, yep, that was the Y. On average, yes, by an amount of 1.8%. That's it right there. Okay, let's see why D's not it. Each beer consumed, okay, increases, that's fine. Blood alcohol by exactly 0.018. Nope, it's not an exact measurement because this equation here is going to be an estimate anyway. Okay, so this is not going to give you an exact value. That's why we say on average. Okay, so that's why D is not the correct answer. It's because of this wording right here. Exactly, that's not right. It needs to be the wording on average. So C is going to be your correct answer here.